to be careful with this, you know, the things, the, how do you put it, bitters, really bitter stuff on the fish. This is the fish liver. Okay, fish liver can eat, see, so big. Okay, intestine. Okay guys, so need to clean it. See, there is also roll, fish roll. We also have fish roll. I will. So now guys, because it's already clean it, okay, already clean it, you have to dry it first. Okay guys, you have to dry it first. Okay, you like, you know, so need to wipe it the water. Okay guys, wipe it the water. Guys, okay, this is the stuff that I use to my steamed fish. Okay guys, this one is coriander as usual, spring onion and ginger, but the ginger need to squeeze. Okay, and to put the black pepper. Okay guys, this one I make it for the sauce. This is the rice wine. Okay guys, rice wine. And this is soya sauce. Okay, light soya sauce. And this one is the, as you can see, is seasoned soy sauce. Okay, for the fish. My fish is still trying to dry it so that it can be absorb the ginger juice when I marinate. Okay guys, so okay, keep it up guys. Now squeeze the ginger guys. Okay, squeeze the ginger. Okay guys, ginger. Now let's see how many ginger. Okay guys, I mean how many juice I put with this. Okay guys, this ginger juice. Okay, now the fish. Okay guys, so remove it. Okay, we have to slit, okay, because the fish is very big, so you have to slit it here. Okay guys, slit it and then we marinate. Okay, see how much ginger is it in now? Is a lot of ginger guys, a lot of ginger, so that the fish is not fishy smell or fishy taste, you know. So, black pepper. Okay, just like that. Okay guys. Okay, that's for marinade. Okay guys, put some sugar as well. Later on I will show you guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to prepare the sauce. Okay guys, this is sugar, 1 sugar. Okay, and then this rice wine. Okay guys, rice wine, sugar, and also the light soya sauce, 1, and this one's the most important, the 2 tablespoon, all is 1 tablespoon. Okay, this one also 1, 2. Okay, 2 fish sauce and 1 light soya sauce plus the sugar and the rice wine. So this is it guys. Later on we have to only reheat the 2 tablespoons of but this one, because it's so salty, okay, I will add at least, okay, 1 tablespoon of water. Okay guys, the boiling water. Reheat the oil later on, guys. Okay, so let's begin to boil the water. Okay, guys, let's begin to boil the water when it's boiling, and then we have to put in the boiling water to steam the fish. Okay, let's put now. Okay, 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes to steam, guys. Now we can start, guys, because it's already almost time to finish my steamed fish. Now I'm going to reheat some oil, guys. Okay, guys, reheat some oil to put on the fish. You have to reheat some. Okay, let it boil, put in the fish. Okay, guys, but now because need to cook also vegetable, I need to put my vegetable, guys. Okay, guys, here. All my vegetables, so because we have only 2 dish, okay, only vegetable and the steamed fish. Let it boil first before you cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, guys, my vegetable. Okay, so now it's boiling. Need to cover it first, guys. Okay, guys, cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, guys, 2 minutes, and my boiling almost there. And now time's up of my fish. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Now time's to go. Now need to guys. Okay, guys, let the water drip for a while. As I said, okay, this is to remove this one here. Push this one here. Okay, guys, and the garnish, as I said. So my oil, you have to see. Okay, and then the sauce. Okay, done, guys, done. You see how beautiful my fish, how beautiful my fish. So ready to serve, guys. And also my vegetable ready. Need to remove it. Okay, it's ready, my vegetable too. Okay, ready to serve. Hold on.